So huge pullback that's happened here to Gala Games. So we have to check out what's been happening and why Gala has been going down. So I recommend you guys to watch the entire video to understand what is happening to this token and what's going to happen to the future of Gala Games. Okay, let's go. The biggest reason why Gala Games has been going down is because of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin got rejected here, and as you can see, we just it did go down here by 8%, and because almost 9%, and because of that, it pulled the whole market down. And every coin, every major coin is actually following the exact same pattern here as Bitcoin. So this is what's been happening. We're looking at the exact same thing here, exact same pattern here, and because of that, Gala did follow Bitcoin and it did get rejected here. Now, what's going to happen here? What are some price predictions? Why did Bitcoin go down? It's because the Federal Reserve, we have some new things. Basically, the exact same reason why Bitcoin went down in 2017 and crashed. It's not really crashed yet, but went down. Yeah, the exact same reason is happening again, but this time it's a lot different because there's a lot more people into Bitcoin, there's a lot more companies into Bitcoin. So I don't believe we're gonna see a bearish market as of yet. I still believe that this year is going to be an okay year for Bitcoin. So keep our coin market cap, the market cap right now for Gala Games is basically $2.5 billion. We did go down here by 17%, and you see the price of one Gala is 0.36. The volume here did increase by double, but you have to remember this is not buying volume, this is actually selling volume, so this is not good. So even if we are in the green here, this is not good to see because this is selling volume. Go here to the last 7 days, you can see how much it has been going down and what's been happening here. So we're doing some price analysis to see what's been happening here. But did Gala do something bad? Did they make a mistake? No, that's not the thing. That's not a problem right now. The problem is the whole market is going down. So it's not only Gala, but most of the tokens here are going down. Now, what happened? Did something bad happen to Bitcoin? Well, kind of. We got some new news about Bitcoin, and because that, there's a ton of fear and greed in the market right now. But for now, we're gonna need some time. So we're gonna need some time here to reset. It is the winter. It is January. January normally is a really slow month for business. So seeing that people are gonna sell Bitcoin is not that big of a surprise. But that means that all the tokens here will go down. This is what I've been telling you guys. You can't only watch Gala Games as a token here and do some chart analysis. You can watch it, but you have to watch for Bitcoin also, and the major tokens also, like Ethereum and the rest of them. But you have to watch at Bitcoin because Bitcoin dominates the market. If Bitcoin goes down, most of the tokens will go down. If Bitcoin goes up, not all the tokens will go up. Only good quality tokens that have big investors will invest into the coins again. So Gala has big investors. I believe if Bitcoin goes up, the Gala Games will also go up. But because Bitcoin went down, boom, we see Gala Games as also going down. So right now we have tremendous support at this level, which is really good. So we have a ton of support here because of what's been happening here in the past. And we had a ton of safety here at that, like I said, 0.35. So let's say it's 35. As you see, 35, really good number for us. But in the end, we still did hit that level, but we shouldn't have hit that level. We should have continued here to make that a triangle here, and then try to continue to go up, and that level would be right over here. So somewhere again in this level, the triangle should have looked something like this, and then we should have continued to go all the way here to the tip, and then something big could have happened here to Gala. So a good thing here right now is that Gala is actually oversold, super oversold. Look at the RSI. The RSI hit all the way here, so super oversold right now, which indicates that there is a chance it should be able to go up pretty soon, or at least it should. People should start buying because it's just super oversold. So I believe that there is a chance that we should be seeing a nice increase right now. But does that mean we're gonna still be able to survive? The biggest problem is that people are saying here is that there's a chance that Bitcoin will actually go down even more. So some people are saying here that the prediction for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin probably, it's not probably, but there's a chance that Bitcoin will hit $40,000, $30,000 per token. So that's all the way back to this level. So we still have a long way to go, but there is a chance that it's going to reach that level. So if you do measure this, another decrease here, and that's going to be a major one for 30% for Bitcoin. So 30K, long way to go. But if Bitcoin goes down that much, then again, Gala Games will also go down. Probably hitting a new low. It's not a new low, but this part right over here. Maybe even underneath that. So somewhere between 0.28 and 0.20. So I even believe 0.20 is going to be the number for Gala if it continues to go down. And our last line of support is going to be 0.14. Last line of support, this line here and this line here. This is everywhere we have support. So do watch these levels. Do remember that. Do know what is happening here. So biggest problem, like I said, the chance that Bitcoin will continue to go down. Even if Gala makes a price reversal for itself and continues to go up, it doesn't matter, because eventually Bitcoin will catch up to Bitcoin and it will go down if Bitcoin goes down. And that's why I've been telling you guys you have to watch Bitcoin and Gala games at the same time if we want to understand what's going to happen here to the future of Gala. Because if you only look at Gala and Bitcoin falls down, you're going to be super surprised when you see that Gala has dropped. But if you watched at Bitcoin and Gala at the same time, you could have known that Bitcoin is going to fall or something like that. Like I said, the biggest reason why it fell is because of the new news of the Federal Reserve and everything. And because of that, we did drop here for Bitcoin. And the biggest problem here again with Bitcoin is that we broke our trend line here. This here is the line. It should have continued to bounce off of this level. But as you see, it got exactly rejected at this level. So that's why it's super insane. This is why I think everything is rigged. But yeah, because why is it that this time here that we got this kinds of news, like bad news? Why do we get it right now? It's because people are manipulating the market. Like the new news are manipulating the market, and there's like fear. There's extreme fear right now in the market. But when there's extreme fear, there are buying opportunities. But because people who are fearful will start to sell, and making people who are smart a lot richer because they're gonna buy the dips. So there is a chance that Bitcoin will go up again. If we look at the chart, if we look at Bitcoin before, it's basically making the same pattern here it made last summer. So if we do follow this pattern that happened before, there's a chance it should be able to go up again. And it all depends right now, but we have to get past the $46,000 barrier. If we do that, then we're going to be still okay here for Bitcoin and everything is going to be awesome. But if we don't, then like I said, we're going to see that 30K for Bitcoin. There's a chance something like that is going to happen here. And if that happens, like I said, imagine 30% decrease here, which should be even more, but yeah, 30% would be right over here, 0.25. But let me just check something. So if Bitcoin went down by 8%, you can see here that Gala did go by 20. So that's what I've been telling you guys. So if Bitcoin goes down by 30%, that means basically we should be going down at least by 50% if something like that is possible. So if we do measure that, it's going to be from this level here, 50% down. Boom, it's about this level here, which is, I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think we're going to go all the way down to here. Hopefully not. But like I said, last level of support at 0.14. It's going to be a ton of buying opportunities later on, but still, then the whole market is going to stabilize. And I believe that we're going to be in a bear market, but not too long. We're not going to wait for 2 years. I think we're going to wait for the end of this year or something like that for the prices of like most of the tokens here to recover. But we're going to see. We're going to see what's going to happen here. We still don't have too much information. And because that, we have to wait out here a couple of days to see what is exactly happening. So yeah guys, hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Of course, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.